Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us do a quick unboxing and review of the Kmove Snowfox mechanical keyboard. You can view or buy this keyboard from amazon.com or Kmove's website. Link to purchase will in the description. Now unboxing the package, you can see to the top we have the keyboard itself. Then we have the other few switches to the left side. Here are some other switches that you can try on. Now overall, if you see, these are the things that we get inside the mechanical keyboards. There is a nice braided USB Type-C cable. You have the tools through which you can remove these keys, user manual. Now here is a USB Type-C cable which is quite long and is made up of very good quality. It has a braided finish and looks quite nice. And here are the keys that you can swap in with your keyboard. You can also order separate keys from Snowfox website and put them on your keyboard. Maybe you want a Halloween theme, etc. You can go and check them out. Link to same will be in the description. Here is a Kmove 3000 mAh sticker, which means that this keyboard has a 3000 mAh sticker and it runs quite long. Here is the user manual that shows how to operate this keyboard, but it's quite easy. Let me show you a demo on how it's done. You can pause the video and read the same too. Now I have turned on the keyboard and you can see the color looks absolutely amazing. So to the top you can see here we have the on off button, the Windows and Mac switcher, and then we have the small skids here which helps the keyboard to stay firmly on the table which you are keeping it. So guys, as you can see how easy it is to pull off the keys. So I've taken the keys here with the help of this tools here. It's very easy and you can even plug it back in. So just keep it like this and press it, and that's it. It's pressed properly now and it works now. So you can order different switches like this and you can just put it in the keyboard and it will be much easier and better to type in that according to your own preferences. So you can go and order from Kmove's website. I just saw that how easy it was to swap keys on this keyboard. Also this has a lot of cool functions such as changing the LED lights and decreasing the brightness, etc. So let me show you. So if you press function and P, you can see the brightness gets decreased, and the same if you press this button it gets increased. So you can do that. So you have a lot of things in this which you can do. And also with this button you can change the LED colors. You can see there are a lot of changes happening in the LED colors. There's a lot of patterns that we saw in the manual book that you can see here. So now I have pressed the function and Z button and you can see it's in pairing mode. Now the keyboard is in pairing mode and I can connect it to my laptop or desktop. So here you can see that I'm able to see the Kmove 61 on my laptop Bluetooth connection. This is the Kmove software that you can download from its website to customize the keyboard according to your own preferences. So let's see about our typing experience. Pretty good. I mean, you can see the sound here, the clicky sound. The keys are nice and tactile so that you get that really good mechanical keyboard feel. Overall, the keyboard is compact and really nice. My easy two hands can easily reach it. Overall, I'm really happy with this mechanical keyboard. So guys, this keyboard definitely is a really cool compact mechanical keyboard with RGB lights that you can buy. It has hot swappable keys and also you can swap as many keys you want, and there are also many keycaps that you can buy from Kmove's website such as Halloween theme, etc. Also this has a 3000 mAh battery, so this keyboard battery will last you long. Also you can use it in USB mode. The keys give a really tactile feel and it gives a really good feel when you're typing on this keyboard. For gaming you have different settings which you can set and you can just turn on this 3 buttons, WASD, etc. So that's really nice that you can do. A lot of cool features that you can check out with this keyboard. So guys, that was a quick video on this Kmove DK61 keyboard. If you want to purchase this keyboard, a link to same will be in the description. From here you can go and buy it. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle, and etc. Also check out our website which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.